Testing has been very successful so far. We're in week 2 of a 2-week commissioning test. We're learning a lot about the equipment. We're learning the integration of the equipment is really, really good. It's performing very well. We're looking forward to getting it offshore in the next few weeks. It's great to have seen the project right through that period into the offshore demonstration. We're seeing it going really, really well. We're seeing operator buy into the project now. It's great to see new partners coming in. And in phase 3 in the offshore deployment, with a successful test there, hopefully see commercial opportunities. We've been pushing the energy transition, powering subsea infrastructure with renewable energy since 2013. Now is the right time. There's a real drive towards decarbonisation, towards electrification. We're proving this technology just at the right time when the industry is moving towards adopting all electric systems, powering, operating slightly differently. We're really excited to get this in the water.
So we've got a huge amount of knowledge and experience from the operator side that we can then help Mocean and Verlume help to develop this project. Where we don't want to run expensive umbilicals, potentially this solution would allow local power generation for electric trees potentially, and even not with electric trees, even with conventional trees, it could help lower the cost. But it would only be on a case-by-case basis, but it has the potential. This phase 3 that we're supporting is only a stepping stone to help that. Well, Harbour and Serica are actually the main supporters of this project at this time, so we're actually very intimate to the developing and supporting this project versus some of the other bigger oil and gas companies. So we're actually a first mover at this stage, with potential that we have projects where we can deploy this.
Well, I think in the first instance, I think these green energy power solutions combined with the type of infrastructure that we have that has certain vulnerabilities, if we can combine those two together, we can provide green power to restore and support ongoing production operations. I think the project here today, if all goes to plan, and that's when the companies involved in what we've seen today are looking to target.
We were attracted to the RSP project because we had originally developed the dock and drone for fish farming applications where the dock would be deployed in a fish farm net. We feel really strongly that the technology that we're bringing to the RSP project is a key facilitator in decarbonising offshore operations. Autonomous resident systems reduce the need for surface vessel use, which is one of the key ways to reduce and decarbonise the industry, reduce carbon emissions. We think that the technology that we bring with the dock and the autonomous vehicle is a simpler, more cost-effective solution than is currently used in the industry. We believe that this can become a commercial product in the next 12 months, the latter end of 2023.
The Renewables for Subsea Power project is going really well. It's been a number of years in the making, and we're coming to the end of phase 2, where we've built all of the kit that's going to be deployed subsea. We're here in Verlume's operational facility, where we're bench testing it, and today is our open day, where we're bringing in customers and partners to show them the system. And then in about a month's time, we'll get it up to Orkney and send it offshore along with our Blue X wave energy device. At Mocean, what we realize is that customers don't need a wave energy device per se. What they need is a solution. So we're working with partners Baker Hughes, Verlume and Transmark Subsea to develop a complete solution for customers that consists of the provision of renewable power, energy storage, system integration, and subsea robotics.
So when you look at that, you're looking for power generation, you're looking for power storage, you're looking for ways of managing the power remotely where the demand is. And all the technologies from Verlume, from Mocean, all speak to that, and that's why we look to support that type of tech. We're very interested in power generation at sea, in remote locations, offshore wind, floating offshore wind. We're looking a lot at power storage from the scale that we have here, kilowatt scale to megawatt, almost gigawatt seasonal scale as well.
So we're in an era where energy transition has become a need, right? And all our customers are trying to find ways to be able to decarbonize. Within the Growth Hub, one of the initiatives we are looking at is decarbonization. So once I heard about the Renewables Subsea Power initiative, I quickly saw it as an opportunity to provide a solution to help our customers to be able to decarbonize their assets offshore. So yes, it's going to be simple in the sense that if you look at the conventional ways where you're doing a tieback, what it means is you have to do a long distance where sometimes you have to go 200, 300 kilometers where you have to lay an umbilical. It's very expensive, it's very long, tedious process because you have to have a vessel lay this cable along the seabed. With the RSP solution, where you're able to provide a residential renewable power, it means you don't have to lay long distance umbilical power. You'll be able to provide a solution where and where needed in terms of where the asset is, and that saves the customer time and money. Both solutions have high level in terms of TRL, and what we are now doing is we are now engaging our customers to be able to provide a solution through quotations proposal. So as I speak to you, we already have an amazing traction with our customers that are keen to be able to utilize it. So to answer your question directly, it's ready now. We've had a lot of customer engagement, and they are very fascinated about the solution as it is. Now, in terms of how we can provide it and how we can provide it to our customers, now what we are now doing is we are trying to do more customer open events, trying to get customers in to be able to see their technology and appreciate it.